Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do a recap of Jaguar Health, so ticker symbol is Jagx. So what I'm going to go through is, first of all, I'm going to go through the fundamental analysis of the company, basically gauging the health of the company, because I recently did a video on why I believe Jagx was a good buy right now, a strong buy right now, and basically to buy and hold onto the stock. Alright, so I want to check to see if the health of the stock or the health of the company is still good. So I'll do that through the fundamental analysis, and also I'm going to go through the technical analysis, so basically looking at the movement of the stock, the recent movements, price action, etc., and also looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool in particular, because Jagx stock has actually made a big run up. So using the Fibonacci retracement tool is good, as it's very accurate in terms of telling you where the price is going to retrace to, so that way you can actually buy it at a lower price. And then the third thing I'm going to go through is my future predictions. Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you go ahead and of course hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. Alright, let's get into today's video. So currently on an article on Investor Place. The article pretty much details a lot of exciting things that are happening to Jagx and going to happen to Jagx, both the company and the share price. So the first thing is Jagx as a company focuses mainly on plant-based medicines, which prior to December 2020 wasn't really discussed much, but because of the way Jagx's share price has been rising, a lot more people are taking notice into plant-based medicines as traditional medicines because they're more organic. Jagx stock at a glance. On the afternoon of January 8th, Jagx stock was up more than 40% and approaching the $4 area. The trading volume for the day was above 250 million shares, more than 5 times the usual daily volume for this stock. So already that says there's a lot of interest within Jagx stock, both as a company and the stock, by investors. Investors are taking a lot more notice into the company based on the moves that they're making, the product, the plant-based product, and basically the investments that they're making. So another big thing that's happening with Jagx is that they've pretty much got their hands in the whole C19 medicinal section. The COVID connection, Jaguar Health, and more precisely Napo Pharmaceuticals' primary product is called Mytesi. The generic name for the drug is crofelemer. According to the company, Mytesi has already been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration for the symptomatic relief of non-infectious diarrhea in adults, HIV and AIDS, who are on antiretroviral therapy. Moreover, Mytesi crofelemer is the only oral plant-based prescription medicine that's currently approved under FDA botanical guidance. So there's a major blue sky opportunity here for Mytesi. So already that speaks a lot of volume. The reason for this is Mytesi is the only plant-based medicine that's been approved by the FDA, which means that in terms of plant-based medicine, they pretty much, or they monopolize the whole market. Napo Pharmaceuticals envisions a C19 connection for Mytesi, as the drug could potentially work as an anti-diarrheal for patients with long-term C19 symptoms. So what does this mean for Jaguar Health as a business? So basically they've got a drug, alright, that a lot of people need, both for HIV and AIDS patients and C19 patients. This basically means that they're going to have a huge revenue stream. So the third big thing that's happening to Jaguar Health and could potentially and will make the company grow even bigger is they're working on a SPAC, so a special purpose acquisition company, which basically means that they're looking to acquire a company or make a company, help fund a company to go public. Noting the SPAC angle, plant-based medicine is still a new and exciting idea that's coming to fruition with innovators like Napo Pharmaceuticals. In 2020 and into 2021, innovative companies have often considered using special purpose acquisition companies, SPACs, to go public. If Napo Pharmaceuticals gets to a major stock exchange through a SPAC, that could be big news for the plant-based medicine market. So basically Jaguar Health are trying to acquire Napo Pharmaceuticals via a SPAC, or they're trying to help them go public. As part of the SPAC deals, basically the company that's helping the private company go public, they of course have a lot of investments within that company. So what they get out of that deal is shares or ownership within that company, or certain levels of ownership within that company. So the fact that they're looking to take Napo Pharmaceuticals public means that they've invested heavily, and also Napo Pharmaceuticals as a company is already doing well. So if they go public, their share price, etc. will do very well, which means an overall good investment for Jaguar Health, and the company will ultimately grow. They may even make more acquisitions, etc. How serious is the company about this? Jaguar has already completed a roadshow with Swiss Growth Forum, a sponsor of the SPAC. So this sounds quite serious. So it sounds like the SPAC is definitely going to go ahead. Big things for Jaguar Health as a business, as a company, and ultimately for the share price, Jagx. So investing in Jagx right now, buying shares in Jagx right now, will see huge returns on investment in the future. So with all the catalyst news that's happening with Jagx at the moment, the share price can easily double very quickly. But in terms of buying and holding, this is a great company to buy and invest in, because when you buy shares, you're not just buying stocks and shares, you're actually buying businesses. So guys, if we just look at the chart of Jagx, so basically looking at what's happened since the last video I did. The last video I did, I was pretty much waiting for a dip, or saying that it's a good idea to wait for a dip if you want to get in cheaper, or if you want to add to your position. So I was using the Fibonacci retracement tool to predict where I believe the price was going to fall to or dip to, and effectively retrace back up and start heading back up. So I believe the price, as mentioned, is going to head up initially and test this resistance at $4.50, and then from there, I believe with the momentum that it's going to have behind this stock, it's going to break that $4.50 pretty easily and head towards $6, even $10. I believe in the next couple of months this stock is going to be at $20. Guys, so there's my fundamental and technical analysis update of Jagx, Jaguar Health. I believe this company is still great to buy and hold, or if you already own shares, I believe it's a great time to hold or even add on to your position for the long run, because there's so many exciting things happening for Jaguar Health as a company and Jagx as a stock. So make sure you guys get in on Jagx if you've not already gotten in. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads, and comment below, let me know what you guys think of Jagx. Alright, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.